Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel Alejandre at ito po ang aking daily devotion para sa ngayong February 7. And today, we are going to ask the question of ano ang pinakamagandang pangarap sa buhay? And this is related to the topic of Calvinism. And for today, we are going to use the verse of Isaiah chapter 43 verse 7 to further elaborate this topic. And the verse states that everyone who is called by my name, whom I created for my glory, whom I formed and made. Sa Tagalog, sila ang aking bayan na aking nilalang upang ako'y bigyan ng karangalan. So what is Calvinism? Una, we should talk about what Calvinism or what Calvin's emphasis. Una, it's the total depravity of man. Ito po yung ating kawalan. Ito yung ating kakulangan. Ito yung ating pagkatuyot, no? And Calvinism also refers to the sovereignty of God. Na kung saan si God, ang ating Panginoon, ay tunay na karangal-rangal. He is sovereign, no? Nobody else has a higher degree of sovereignty than God. And the highest goal of humanity is to glorify God. For He is sovereign. Lahat ng ginagawa mo, lahat ng aksyon mo, it all should reflect towards God's glory. Kasi ikaw ay isang creation ni God. You are one of His beautiful creations. So, you should glorify Him through you, through the entirety of you. And how do we do that? Una, be cautious of your tendency to do evil. Because we, as men, have a tendency to do that. And we should be aware of our actions, no? And we should trust God's sovereignty to save and keep us. Sinabi ko nga kanina, no being has a higher degree of sovereignty than God. So, panghawakan mo yun. And lastly, pursue the glory of God as your highest goal. Kung ikaw ay kumikilos upang mabigyan ng kaluguran ng ating Panginoon, talagang that is a very, very good ambition to have. Yan lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.